Get ready. What you're about to see is power unleashed. These machines are carving through nature with savage force and surgical accuracy. It's not just action, it's a mechanical masterpiece that stuns the senses. Snow's falling fast, and the clock's ticking faster. The cutting's done, but now it's all about speed. Every minute counts to haul the timber out before the storm locks them in. No room for hesitation, just grit, machines, and raw will. Reliable, pure power for the toughest tasks. Extreme heat, high temperatures, and logging in snowy conditions might usually sound like a recipe for freezing hands and misery. But with the Tesla 12 MDH tow truck and the 305T loader, it's a whole different story. Suddenly, heavy work feels like an exciting winter adventure, with a cozy cabin around you, effortlessly moving logs. It may even make you want to get behind the wheel and hit the ground running. Introducing the Cat 323. More than just an excavator, it's a force of nature. Powered by a 172 horsepower Cat C7.1 engine, this machine conquers tough tree roots and stubborn stumps effortlessly. Built for the toughest jobs, its reliable, raw strength tackles even the most challenging tasks with ease. Watch as these mechanical monsters take on the impossible, tearing through wood and earth like a hot knife through butter. Their speed and precision leave you in awe, with giant cuts and stumps pulled out like they're nothing. Feel the ground tremble as these machines show their true power. This is where engineering meets sheer strength. Barge appears, silent but heavy, packed with logs and heading straight for the drop. No cranes, no fuss, just gravity doing its job. Watching those massive logs hit the water and drift away, it's raw, real, and unforgettable. That 220-foot tree, watching someone climb it and bring it down from the top made my stomach drop. This isn't just logging. This is extreme precision, balance, and sheer courage. Hats off to the guys doing this day in and day out. Say hello to the MEOR H12000, a beast that doesn't just strip bark, it perfects the process. It handles logs up to 2 meters thick like nothing, with remote control access that makes operation a breeze. Adjustable blades and precision hydraulic pressure guarantee a smooth, clean finish every time. Yes, it costs $125,000, but when it comes to efficiency and flawless results, you're getting what you pay for. That oak? A real showstopper. Now behold the true legend, the LKT-81 Turbo. This thing hauls 12 tons like it's nothing. That oak? Gone without a fight. Who wouldn't want to grab the wheel and take this monster for a ride, feeling every inch of raw muscle at work? New Zealand forestry never stops, especially around the radiata pine hubs of Kangaroa and Murupara, where massive logging rigs dominate the roads. These sites drive home one key truth: without efficient transportation, this entire industry would grind to a halt. Forget basic saws, the LT70 is on a whole new level. With its thin kerf cut, you lose less to sawdust and get more value from every log. Advanced controls and handling options give you total command, while the smart lube system keeps the blade running clean and efficient. This is the kind of gear serious operators rely on. Hurricane Sandy hit hard, brought down a towering tree like it was nothing. Still, no injuries. It's a sharp lesson in the raw power of the wild, and a quiet moment to be thankful for its rare restraint. Small frame, serious cutting power. The TMK200 is built for performance. Mounted on an excavator or wheel loader, and it'll handle brush and trees up to 200 millimeters thick with pinpoint accuracy. For fine clearing and thinning tasks, this little tool delivers big results. Kick it into gear. They pulled out that massive root system using just mechanical advantage and some backyard know-how. A few pulleys, one small tractor, and boom, Stump gone. That's not magic. That's smart. Raw power multiplied by physics.
Done.
Albach 2000 is the king of chippers. fueled by raw horsepower and precision German engineering. It chews through timber like nothing, turning tree trunks into mulch faster than you can say next load. When you're serious about production, this is your go-to machine. This beast rips out stumps the size of shipping containers in seconds. How much do you think this tree weighs? Drop your guess in the comments. Feel that heat? That's raw industrial muscle in motion. This isn't just cutting, it's rapid-fire forestry. With the bigger cutting head clamping and clearing in seconds, every cycle is lightning fast. More trees, less time, and one hell of a show. Behind the precision is pure engineering genius. The bandsaw works in a constant flow, one flexible blade looping endlessly, slicing clean with surgical accuracy and barely any waste. It's efficiency by design. Less wear, more results. Built for speed, engineered for weight. The CSU Polar Euro 5 doesn't mess around. Tons of logs in the bed, tires spinning, it's already gone before the dust settles. This is what serious transport looks like. Forget digging and sweating over stumps. The Green Tech Piranha makes short work of them all. Grind it down, mulch it up, and move on. Your yard just got upgraded. Columbia in the dead of winter, no joke. This trucker's out here loading logs, clearing snow just to move. Nothing easy about it. No warm cabins, no breaks from the cold. This is where tough men earn their respect. One wrong move and things can go terribly wrong. That's why safety procedures aren't just advice, they're essential. Always keep your distance, respect the power of the machines. Thanks for tuning in to see a quick look into modern logging. If you've shown some love, hit that subscribe button and share with your friends. As always, thank you for watching Machine Era.